Hi, this is me, Luisa, petting a cat. Not a real one, but still a cat. Let's keep that in mind. So, aside from that, an Austrian physicist named Schrödinger is quite well known for something he never really did, or had. To make a long story short, he made a famous thought experiment with a non-existent cat. Ironically enough, this theory is called Schrödinger's cat. Schrödinger thought that if a cat, in this case his cat, and a radioactive atom that has a 50% chance of decaying within a given time is placed inside a completely sealed box that is impossible to see from the outside, until the box is opened and observed, the radioactive atom will stay in superstition of both decayed and undecayed states. Superstition is when a particle can exist in multiple states simultaneously until it is measured. Since the cat's fate is linked to the atom's fate, the cat would also be considered to be in the superstition of being both alive and dead at the same time. A fun fact is that Schrödinger didn't actually believe in his own theory, and he was so disturbed by it that he ended up switching to biology. Since Schrödinger didn't believe his own theory, he wanted to prove how absurd it seemed to apply the rules of quantum mechanics, which govern the subatomic world, to everyday macroscopic objects to the real world. Instead, he accidentally paved the way for quantum mechanics and successfully demonstrated the boundary between quantum and classical worlds. In today's world, even AI practices superstition because it optimizes neural networks by evaluating multiple configurations simultaneously. In the end, even though Schrödinger's cat wasn't a real experiment, it was sure a real concept that relates to the world today. And even though Schrödinger's cat wasn't a real cat, it was still a cat.